Hello friend, this is Kevin Technician channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove password from Google Pixel 3a. First, I encourage you to make subscribe for update. Again, I'm telling you that don't skip any step because all are useful. So let's get started. Power button and volume down. You press it on the same time. 1, 2, 3. You press volume down for hearing recovery mode. Recovery mode appear, and you press to power button. Power button and volume up at the same time. Power button to restart the device. Press to talk back.
Spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn TalkBack on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When TalkBack is on, the focused item on the screen allow Android accessibilities while you use voice commands to control TalkBack. Here are some things you can say. Copy. Use voice commands button.
Open Google Assistant.
Tap to dismiss assistant. Voice search.
Open Setting.
To keep going, you'll need to download the latest version of the Google app. Open Assistant set. Search. Double tap tap. Open Assistant. Open Assistant settings. Double. Open set. Open settings. End of field. Open settings. Edit. Navigate. Keyboard hidden. Open Assistant. Lock screen settings. Show all apps. Show all. Lock screen. Show all apps. Open display settings. Lock screen setting. Show all apps. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
If you don't appear, open Setting. Launch this keyboard
Type a message. Edit
and
box.
type
Show
Open Setting.
QWERTY keyboard. Double keyboard. P E N N space S S E T T I M G S S send. Double tap to activate. Double tap. To keep going, you'll need to download the latest version of the Google app. Restart phone. Unlock. Turn on Hey Google. Double tap to activate. Unlock my phone. Unlock my phone. Turn on Hey Google. Open Assistant setting. Open Assist. Open Assistant setting. Turn on Hey Google. Open Assistant settings. Open Wi-Fi settings. Open Assist. Open Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi settings. Open settings. Edit box. G. To keep going, you'll need to download the latest version of the Google app. Unlock. Turn on Hey. Turn on Hey Google. Turn on Hey Google. Turn on Hey Google. Google Assistant menu button. Open settings. Restart. Unlock my phone. Unlock my phone. Turn on Hey Google. Open Assistant settings. Open Assist. Open Assistant. Unlock my phone.
For the message, you
Assistive options button.
for either method, first you enable TalkBack.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack. Well. Use voice commands to control. Use voice command.
Google Assistant. Open Setting.
To keep going, you'll need to download the latest version of the Google app.
No user setting for direct response.
Voice search.
Settings.
To open device settings, tap Open Settings below.
And you open setting.
Open settings in list. Settings.
First, you go and disable
Speech rate 100.
talkback.
Storage 20. Accessibility. Talkback. Talkback. Navigate up button out of list. Use talk. Stop. Stop button. Double tap to activate. Talkback off.